What's up, people? And we're going diving. So everybody's probably wondering what's the current situation with me and Gamestop. There is no situation with me and Gamestop. It happened. So what? They ain't contacted me. Well, they haven't contacted me. Actually, I visited Gamestop today. Went in there looking for pops. Didn't have shit. So I'm moving on from that situation. Doesn't really fucking matter. I don't care. So, alrighty. Diving here tonight. And, doesn't look like anything's gonna be in this trash. Because I've already went through some of it. Right over here at the second dumpster. Somebody really dug through this one. Okay, over here at the second location, it looks like they threw out marketing again. Is it gonna be messed up? Probably. Because they still want to destroy it all. Yeah. Still all destroyed. Look at that. Makes no sense why you're destroying it. There's one back there. Doesn't look like there's gonna be anything else in the boxes. This bag. This may not have hardly anything in it because most of the weight is from the vacuum. What the hell are those? Never seen those before. Nintendo DS game soft shell holders. Weird items to find in here, right? Alrighty. Alrighty, it's day 2. Gonna go diving, see what we find tonight. We saw that I barely even found anything last night. Alrighty. What the fuck? Oh hell. I gotta get in here. Wow. Okay. What is this? A lot of destroyed stuff. Oh no. Look at that. Okay, what's going on with that motherfucker? Let's see. Looks like a boat. I'll take that. It's in there. I wonder what's wrong with it. What are these? Never seen that. This is all from the Radio Shack next door to Gamestop. This one's still in its package. I'll take that. Oh wow. Fuck yeah. No fucking way. Oh, items in them. So you see there's wires sticking out, so I have to go through those. Bluetooth headset. Bluetooth headset. Damn, I'm gonna need a bigger box. A Logitech headset. Okay. Brand new HDMI wire, or what is this? Wait. Oh shit, it's a micro HDMI. Use one of those. What's in here? This is one of those Helix Bugs little tracks. There's the little bug. AC power adapter. Put the little small stuff in there. What is that? Oh, looks like some headphones. What is this? Ooh, more headphones. These old school phones. Funny thing is, I like these old school phones. They're actually pretty cool to play with. What is this? Digital audio coax cable. There's a lot of pieces of that track. There's another Bluetooth headset. Take that. I don't know what it goes to, but I'm surely gonna look. There's another phone. Alrighty, so you saw the items. It's pretty crazy. I just got to go through them and see what works and what doesn't work. This store is closing, so they're throwing away their stock, I guess, that didn't sell. So, you know, it always shows to go multiple times. I went the night before and I went tonight. It's always good to go night after night sometimes, especially when you know a store's closing. You never know what you might find, and tonight is the perfect example. Anyways, y'all have a good one. It's your boy, and stay tuned. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe below, do all that. Peace.